here?
I went to borrow books.
By the way, who is with you?
This is my friend.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Leila Karatia. And you? My name is Hannah Aisha Humayra. By the way, what is your nickname? My nickname is Tia. And you? My nickname is Hannah. You to go to the library?
Okay.
Let's go together. Oh, sorry, I cannot come with you to go to the library.
Yeah, no problem. We can go another time.
Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.